Hello everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off the stopwatch on your Apple Watch. Whether you're just trying to stop it or you want to remove the app entirely, I've got you covered. Let's get straight into it. First, you'll want to wake up your Apple Watch. You can do this by simply raising your wrist or tapping the screen. Once your watch is awake, press the digital crown to return to the watch face or the home screen. Now, if the stopwatch is currently active on your screen, you'll see the Stopwatch app icon. Go ahead and tap on that icon. Once you're inside the Stopwatch app, you can swipe from left to right, or if you see an X button on the screen, tap that to stop and exit the stopwatch. If after all that you're still in the Stopwatch app, you can press the digital crown again to exit back to the home screen or the watch face. This method will turn off the stopwatch but keep the app on your device for future use. However, if you want to disable the stopwatch entirely, meaning you want to remove the app from your Apple Watch, you can do that too. To completely remove the app, hold down on the Stopwatch app icon until it starts to jiggle, then tap the X that appears. This will remove the app from your device, ensuring it won't take up any space or run in the background. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.